Hello and welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix date of birth on TikTok using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Before beginning the video, let me tell you that TikTok doesn't let you the ability to change your birth within the app until you are above 16 years old. If your age was entered incorrectly in your TikTok account and you wish to correct it, then you can simply follow the steps. Open up your TikTok app and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and tap the three lines at the top right hand corner. Click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Scroll down and under Support, select Report a Problem. Tap on Account and Profile from the menu. Select Editing Profile on the next page. Click on Other. Now select Need More Help at the bottom. This will bring you to a feedback form where you can enter a text request to change an inaccurate date of birth on your account. Once you type in the message, if you have any documentation that can prove your age, you can simply go ahead and upload it by pressing on the image icon or the video icon. Once you've submitted your document, tap on the Submit button at the bottom. After you do that, TikTok customer support representative will then email you at the address associated with your account. You might need to provide some form of government-issued identification to confirm your identity and date of birth, and that's how you can easily change your date of birth on TikTok. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.